Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file. We've been emailing back, and I try not to make a video for everything that I answer, but and keep the questions coming. I love trying to figure things out. But they said it wouldn't weld, and you can see right there that it would simplify or make a border, but you can't weld it. Well, if you can't weld it, there's a reason. And after talking to him, he made he'd watched one of my videos and he made a clone curve. And speaking of that, he said he was going around and couldn't figure out which one was the clone or which one was the control. Well, you can't do it with the shape tool. You have to do it with the pick tool. Right here it says clone curve. Right here it says control curve. So then you can take your shape tool and change your flower or whatever you want to do to make it different. But the reason it will not weld is because, so anything that won't ever weld, there's a reason, and it shows it right there, it's highlighted. Break the 16 objects apart, and immediately it comes up to weld, and you can weld it. That's a pretty cool, well, I've already changed this flower, but he can deal with that. But it's a pretty cool design if you're making a flower, and I like playing with the clone tool, and it makes me feel good when somebody's been watching a video and trying one of my videos. Let's just play with this a little bit and do something I do a lot. Let's make this a little thinner leaf, and sometimes it's a little bit hard to try to figure this out, but you can always do stuff like that, and there it won't weld. So go to arrange, break the 16 objects apart, weld them, control D and make a duplicate of it, and then mirror it, and then weld it again. Pretty neat designs you can come up with that are just pretty unique. And maybe from a video earlier today, but this will, because you welded it, you can left click, right click, and have some fun with that. Anyway, so I hope that answers his question, and thank you for watching.